Beautiful weather on my day off with my beautiful lady. We decided to grab lunch from this spot called Bowl Appetit. Casual restaurant crafting custom bowls and wraps with a variety of healthy, vegetarian, and vegan options. So many options you can build your own bowl. Or go with one of the menu options. I chose the keto bowl. She went with the build your own bowl. The keto bowl came with so much steak and chicken. We added everything we could on top. I know the chickpeas aren't keto, but it's okay. Had to go with the Sprite Zero. And this vinaigrette was delicious. This place is a must-try when in the Dearborn, Michigan area. We will be going back for show.